In this video, we will cover the Performance Manager. Here you'll be able to schedule a manual review, track the progress of your employee reviews, approve merit increase requests, and view at-a-glance analytics for any submitted reviews. Click on the Performance in the menu and select Performance Manager. Here, enter the dates of the review cycle and select the review from the drop-down menu and click Filter. Company admins have access to all tabs on the Performance Manager, where supervisors can only see the Schedule, Status, and the Analytics tab for their employees. To manually schedule a review that has not been automatically scheduled for the time frame entered, click on the Schedule tab. On the Schedule Review tab, check the checkbox next to the employee name or use the top checkbox to select all employees. You can filter the employee list by using the filter tool in the upper right-hand corner. Click Add Review in the upper right-hand side above the employee list and select the review from the drop-down menu. Enter the dates for the review, including any necessary information, then click Save. On the Schedule tab, you can assign employees a direct supervisor and their competency model if one has not already been assigned. To view the progress of your employee reviews, click the Status tab. Use the ellipsis icon in the upper right-hand corner of the evaluation to add a note, edit the dates of the review, or close a review. To view more details about the review, click on the employee card. Click on the ellipsis icon to either go directly to the review, print a review, or send an overdue reminder. When printing a supervisor evaluation, there will be two different print options available for supervisors and company admins. When Print for Employee is selected, the feedback questions marked hidden from the employee are not shown on the printed form that pops up. When Print is selected, the feedback questions marked hidden are shown on the printed form that pops up. It is important to note that any comments entered when using the approval process will not print. Only the final approved rating and comments print in that scenario. To review any payroll requests from supervisors, such as pay increase or additional earnings, select the Payroll Request tab. The Payroll Request tab displays only if the chosen review has the Payroll Request feature turned on. You can filter the Payroll Request table to show only merit increases or additional earnings by either selecting or deselecting the merit increase or additional earning filter. To change the view from List Card View, click here. To modify the request, you can edit the type, amount, and effective date, as long as the payroll status indicates not processed or pending. If the payroll status says Process for Approval, you will not be able to modify the request. To add a payroll request for an employee, change the status from No Request to Create Request. To approve the request, you can either change the status from Needs Approval to Approved, or check the box next to the employee name and select Change Status in the upper right-hand corner. This allows you to mass approve requests. Once the merit request is approved, it is added as a reminder date. This will force the payroll administrator to accept or decline this rate increase when processing the payroll, including the payroll request reminder date. Once the additional earnings are approved, it is added as a payroll import. The payroll administrator will need to import the bonuses. A preview warning will appear if the payroll import is missed. To view a total payout report of the approved and pending requests, click on the ellipsis icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Total Payout Report. To view at-a-glance analytics for any submitted review, click on the Analytics tab. You can view the overall score, ratings per competency, answers to any feedback questions, and individual scores for each employee. A CSV of this data is available to download by clicking on the ellipsis icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen.